In this video, we're going to talk about our Datsun grill badges available from Skillard.com. We have some of the variations here in front of me. And here we have the silver with the Datsun engraving. All of these inlays are titanium. This one here is the purple with Datsun engraved. Back over here is blue. And then back up here is gold. So these are all electroanodized titanium and then engraved. The backer that the inlays are in are U.S.A. carbon fiber. So really strong, really durable, weather resistant, water resistant, chemical resistant, UV resistant. We've also got machine studs that come out the back that are come pre-installed. They'll come like this. Each one will come with 2 of these aluminum backing brackets, as well as 2 machine nuts, and it's hard to see in here, but a little blue thread locker. So that kind of gives you an idea of what it comes with. And again, each variation comes with a little hardware kit, but you know, if you're ordering a gold one, you're just getting a gold one. You're not going to get all the colors, but if you want to mix and match and have a little fun, you can do that too. So here in a minute, I'm going to go over the installation process, which is super simple. All right, so like I said, Datsun grill badge designed for the Skillard grills. For the S30, we have quite a few variations, a couple different options for the 240, the 280, you know, with turn signals, without, cutouts for bumpers, without, OEM, valance, not. So anyway, there's a lot of options there with the grills. So if you don't have a grill yet, you can go ahead and check one of those out. Also, we tested this on our 280ZX full grill, so it'll work on that as well. Once your grill's installed, it kind of has a rake like this, and so that's why the bottom of the grill badge is thicker than the top. It's got that taper to it, so that way the badge doesn't point down toward the ground. It sits more straight. And so as far as installation goes, like I installed this on my car, grill's already in. It was easy peasy, just pop the hood and put the nuts on the backside. But kind of show you here, like, you know, I line it up so the bottom is under a slat and then the top is at a slat. And really, you can put it on any one you want. You know, you can shift it. You could put it further toward the center if you wanted. On mine, I liked it up toward the top. I also have a LED turn signal behind the grill, so worked out pretty good. Do either side. But basically, once you find where you want it, put it into place, and then we'll slip these brackets over the machine studs on the back side. The angles on them are formed differently, and so you have the acute angle and the obtuse angle. And that's to help line up on the grill here. So the acute angle goes on the bottom, wraps around the back side of the grill just like this. So pretty straightforward once you see it in person. And then the machined stud here will just go right through that opening in the slot. And so you do have some play. You can move this up and down. Then I'm not going to open this here, but you would put a little drop of your blue Loctite or thread locker close to where the nut's going to finish, maybe even back a little bit. So that way you ensure you get that thread locker into the threads on the nut. So I'll go ahead and just put that on there, finger tight. Then we can do the same thing on this other one. Put that in position. Again, a little Loctite, but I'm not doing that here. excuse me, thread locker. So put that on there finger tight. And this is actually already pretty secure, like just finger tight. And then with the thread locker, once that kind of gums up in there like it's supposed to, it'll keep these from backing out. You'll notice that there's like the threads are in here and we have a gap. So you don't want to throw a ratchet on here and just tighten it, tighten it, tighten it, tighten, because you're going to bend and break. So really after it's on finger tight, you can see here, like, I mean, this isn't moving already, but what I did is I tightened it, maybe another half turn, single turn. You definitely don't want to over tighten these, but just a little bit, make sure it's nice and snug. Loctite will keep that from backing out, and you're good to go. So you have this one sitting on here. Again, like I said, we have a lot of different grill options for the S30, a couple different for the S130. So that kind of just basically shows that installation. These are available from Skillard.com. If you have any questions, please email us at sales@skillard.com.